Mentang ini kami ya ka khubor ka Tyngeh ha karensan politik u presiden ka VPP u Bah Ardent Basaiawmoit ula Phah Shithi Mardor sha chief minister u Conrad K Sangma da kaba dawa ban pynlong ya ka Jingtohkit kaba laitluid halor ka rukom pyntreikam ya ki MLA Schemes kani ka Jingdawa kami hadin ba u chief minister hi ula penpau ya ka Jingkuslai halor ka rukom pyntreikam jong kini schemes u Bah Ardent ula penshai ba u Kershan pura ya ka jingmut jong u chief minister ba ki MLA Schemes ki dei banlong ki ba pyntreikam ha ka rukom ka ba shai bat ka ba pakat klemdon kanu ka jing bakla na kani ka jing penshai jong u CM ka VPP kalashem ya kalat ban dawa mardor ya ka Sorkar bakan pynlong ya ka Jingtohkit ka ba laitluid halor ka rukom pyntreikam jong ki MLA Schemes ha baroh ka wei ka Jylla ka VPP kala ai jingmut ru ba ka Jingtohkit kadai ban Sdang Naduh snem shakhmat bat kandai ban Sdang ningkong na ka Nongkrem Constituency shwa ban but bat da kiwei ki constituency u Bah Ardent unget ba u chief minister un shimkhya ya kani kamat khnang ba kipat ba kinyo jingtep ka ba shai halor ka jing pyntreikam ya ka pisa Sorkar ka Jingdawa ka ba Tyngeh jong ka VPP kadai na ka benta ki ba penklut ya ka politik menta hatu u chief minister un pudyang ya kani ka Jingdawa ban Sdang ka Jingtohkit Naduh snem pra ngin yai Peit hadu ban dayo ya ka jing penshai Sngewbha like share subscribe ya ka channel jongi ban yo ya ki khubor ba shisha kulai shibot
ka Shithi hakibidi bak jing pyntreikam ya ka MLA scheme ka ba kalami ka jing control na kalian ka jong chief minister pyntreikam ya ka MLA scheme kham tam hakili ki constituency bala mi khmat ki Basaiawmoit da ba tho se ka jing tho ka khambon se ka voice of the people party Shri Conrad Sangma, Honorable Chief Minister, Government of Meghalaya, Shillong, from Ardent MLA Basaiawmoit, MLA President Voice of the People Party, Mat Kongsan, East Khasi District. Subject implementation of MLA schemes. Dear Mr. Conrad, on behalf of the Voice of the People Party, I take this opportunity to write to you this letter in connection with the implementation of MLA schemes. Our attention has been drawn by your recent statement in connection with the implementation of MLA schemes, where you had expressed your concern about the manner in which MLA schemes are implemented, especially in constituencies representing by members belonging to the opposition. I would like to appreciate your concern and apprehensions when you decide to question whether MLA schemes have been properly utilized or not. I fully endorse your sentiment that MLA schemes should be properly utilized and implemented in a transparent manner. I would also like to bring to your notice that as a party which believes in transparency and accountability, it had already written a letter to all its MLAs to ensure that implementation of MLA schemes should be implemented in a transparent manner. Therefore, in this connection, I would like to take a cue from your statement and express my sincere desire for an independent inquiry into the implementation of MLA schemes in the state to be immediately constituted by the government. I would further suggest that you initiate this investigation from the year 2008 onwards, starting from 22 Nongkrem Constituency and subsequently to be followed by other constituencies. I hope you will seriously consider this matter so that the people of the state will be more informed about the entire issue. This is Kanigadiga, Shithi Kabangi Iwan Panayo, Chief Minister. Adin Bangi Oso Yaga Jingkren Gajumu, Kamdon Karukom Pyntreikam Kabajanai Kabang, Hagbade Bagam, and his scheme. The Nagalang leadership Kumakalong Java Sorkar, Kamde leadership Kabalong Rangba, Kamde leadership Kabaparkat Yaga State, and Regating leadership Kabaparkat Tanghaka. Politics lani hakta ka electoral politics but ke ke baki kile kamdei namar ka bit ka pia ka jong ka Jylla par koi ndrei kalong ban chupin tikana be baka party ke jong ki kandang yi senshar le ka Jylla ka jing da ka pen bi pen thami ya ki pat ada ke dawa ke belum. Bat kawai rumah nong ini ke Jylla jong ke Sorkar MD. Apa ke Jylla jong MPP. Kadai ke Jylla ke Jylla dan ke insult. Ya ki pak nong jit. Oh, ki pak nong jit ke boleh jit ki wei pat ki parti. Klaim de jit ya kini ki parti ki masin sha. Te kumbadon ke Jylla. You can fool some people sometime, but you cannot fool all the people all the time. Laban penbit shipor ki pai ba. Kantu kat ni na pring ki pai ba. Nei pinong laban penbit yo pai ba baroh parhap ki pon ba.